Take command of the road in the 2007 BMW X3. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. BMW prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power front seats, a leather steering wheel, an outside temperature display, rear wipers, and seat memory. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.